What's the weather like for you today? Maybe rain, a thunderstorm, or strong winds. After all, natural phenomena are constantly happening around the world. Every year there are about 1,200 tornadoes, 5,000 to 10,000 hailstorms, and around 50 lightning strikes every second. The power of nature is truly mesmerizing. Not many people get the chance to be in the right place at the right time. These shots prove that some were lucky enough. Enjoy watching and don't forget to like for more videos like this.